This is probably the wildest YouTube video I've ever done. Hi, it's BubbleChuTea. Yesterday I went to the store and bought some hair dye because I'm gonna bleach my roots because they're getting pretty long, as you can see. Right now the color of my hair is like a light orange something, because a while ago I dyed my hair orange and now it has faded into this. So the hair dye that I usually use when bleaching my hair is called Be Your Mood Intensive Cream Color, and this is in the shade 107. I bought 2 boxes just in case if one won't be enough. So now I have the hair dye mixed together in this bottle, and I have changed my shirt into one that I don't use. Now we just gotta start the hair dyeing. I am so excited. I'm gonna take off this. To protect my hands, I'm gonna put on the gloves that came in the box. Also, when dyeing or bleaching your hair, it's best if your hair is dirty and not newly washed, because the hair's own oils will protect your scalp from the dye. I'm not a professional, but that's what I've read online. So yeah, you know, you gotta trust the internet. I don't really have a special routine or way that I do the dyeing. I just usually start at the top of my head and work my way down until all of the roots are covered. And now you can enjoy me dyeing my hair in time lapse. So now all of the dye is on my head, and I just gotta wait like 30-45 minutes, and then I'll go and take a shower and wash everything, and I will be back to show you the result. So this is how it turned out. It looks really yellow in real life, but always when dyeing dark brown hair it turns out either yellow or orange. I'm probably going to dye another color onto it, maybe peachy, orangey or pink. The ends are still also a bit wet, but I've read that when cutting hair it's better if it's a bit wet. So the next part is probably what you all have been waiting for. I did a poll on Instagram asking if I should cut my hair like this short, like a long bob I think it's called, because I got an impulse that I should cut my hair short, and I think I haven't had like this short hair since I was maybe 7, so maybe it's time that I chop it off I don't know. And 79% answered yes and only 21% answered no, so I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it myself, and I don't know if that will be such a good idea, but I always cut my bangs myself, and I also cut the ends of my hair myself, but I don't really know how to cut hair shorter than that, so we will see how it goes. I'm a bit nervous actually. I'm gonna visit my grandma on Friday, and today is Wednesday, so if this turns out uneven or totally shitty, then she can probably fix it for me. I think I'm going to tie it in one like ponytail at the back. I don't know how smart it is to cut my hair when I'm sitting in my bed, but yeah, I'm probably gonna end up having so much hair in my bed later. I don't know what I'm doing. I actually did a list of pros and cons of having short hair, so I'm gonna read them to you. So, pros with short hair. It's cute. I already know I like short hair on myself because I love wearing short wigs. All of my damaged ends will be gone and will get a fresh start. It's just hair, it will grow out. I don't like wearing my long hair down anyway. I almost always put it in some sort of hairstyle like twin tails or braids. There's less hair to dye when I want to dye it a new color. New hairstyles to try out, and I can still wear wigs if I want long hair. So that was the pros, and the cons are I could regret it. That was the only con I could think of. So I think we should do it. This is how it looks like from the back. I think it's pretty much in the middle. I'm gonna tie another one here. I think I'm gonna go for this length at first because I don't want to cut it too short. Oh my god. It's happening. This is probably the wildest YouTube video I've ever done. Oh my god. Oh my god, it looks uneven. Shit. Look how short it is. I'm gonna do a thumbnail where I hold this hair because almost everyone I see on YouTube that cut their own hair have like this kind of thumbnail. This is my hair. Shit. Okay, I think I am going to... Wow. It's pretty cute. I think the length at the back is okay, but I'm pretty sure that I cut it really uneven. I'm really liking it. I can make my own extensions now. Yay! I'm gonna cut it a bit more, just a tiny bit. I'm not good at this. Actually, when I was younger, when I was like, I don't know, 7, 10, I wanted to become a hairdresser, but now I realize, I don't think so. I don't know how much more I should fuck it up or if I should just leave it to my grandma to fix it for me. It was pretty fun to do this for a YouTube video, but next time I'm gonna have a professional cut my hair for me. But I did it. I cut my hair by myself. I'm gonna go style it a bit and I will be back and end this video. So this is the result. I styled it so that it's a bit curly. I love when short wigs have this kind of hairstyle, when the curls go inwards. I actually really like this length, and I think it was on time that I finally cut my hair because my ends have been so damaged for so long because I've been dyeing and bleaching my hair for so long. So I feel like this is a bit of a fresh start. Oh, I can show you how it looks like from the back. I haven't really checked myself either how it looks. I feel so cute. cute in it. I don't know what I should do with this. Maybe save it? I don't know. But that was it for today's video. I hope that you liked following me cutting my hair. And you know how I always do my outros. Bye bye! The camera's too far away.